Hi guys, so tell me, do aliens really exist? So today I'm going to share some stories. I mean, there are two stories which I would like to share with you all, which will make you understand or which will raise the question if aliens really exist. Okay, so recently we have been hearing news about monoliths. Okay, I'll tell you what are monoliths if you guys don't know. So monoliths are a triangular pillar like thing which is almost 7 to 10 feet long, and it has been seen in some part of US as well as Europe. So people don't know where it came from and where it is gone. Nobody knows that. So some are thinking that it might be done by the aliens, but nobody knows its origin. And the second story is about a man from Tord. Okay, you can even Google about it. There was a man which came on Tokyo airport. This is a very old story, almost in the year 60, in between 60 to 70. Okay, in the year 60 to 70, a man from Tord came at Tokyo airport, and he was fulfilling his customs duties, and then an officer saw his he was checking his passport, and he came to know that this man is from a country named Tord. Have you guys heard about this country's name? No, nobody has. Even at that time such country did not existed. So that's the reason he started questioning him. He even gave him a map to to point out his country. He got the map, but the country which he pointed out was something else. The country Todd was not found. So that's the reason they were asking him question. They started asking him more question, like where was he staying in Tokyo, and for which company is working. So he gave answers, and even that company was there, but that company was not in Todd because Todd country did not existed. So this company was in Tokyo. Okay, and this company, then they asked him about the hotel he is staying. So they called up to that hotel, and the hotel manager confirmed that the hotel existed, but the hotel manager confirmed that there was no such booking of this man. So they thought that they need to ask more questions to him, because they thought that this might be a criminal who has a fake passport, but the passport seemed quite genuine. But still they had a doubt that this guy might be a criminal. That's the reason they booked a hotel room for him, and they kept him there. They even kept his documents with themselves in a locker. So guys, on a very next day, there were two guards in front of the door, and there was only one entry and one exit for that room. The next day, when they when they went there in the hotel room to take that man for questioning, that man was not there. Not even the man, but even his documents, which were in custody of the airport authority, even those documents were not there. So nobody knew where this man came from and where he's gone. So many people say that he might be a time traveler, but we have not heard any real cases about time travel. Some people are saying that he might be an alien. We never know if he was an alien, or he was from a different universe. So nobody knew where this man came from and where he's gone. So such cases, these are the two cases which are raising the questions if the aliens really exist. So guys, what do you think? You can comment your thoughts in the comment box. If you guys like my video, do click on the like button, do subscribe my channel for more exciting videos, and share this video as soon as possible with your friends as well as family members. So guys, what do you think? Do aliens really exist? Do comment your answer in the comment box. Thank you so much.